कितें म्हणपाचें?
It is the same reporter who is keeping on going and ते सेम वॉटरफॉलाचेर परत परत त्याच वॉटरफॉलाचेर वता, थंयच कितें करता आनी परत व्हिडिओ करता आनी सांगता की परत मेळा म्हणून. हांव एकच विचारपा सोदतां, त्या दिसा फर्स्ट डे जेन्ना गेल्ले आनी ताणें म्हणलें बाटल्यो मेळ्यो आनी कितें हें मेळ्ळें, लोक पिताले आनी कितें आनी हें सगळें ताणें अफवा केली न्ही. आनी ही सेड ही सॉ दॅट. सो वेर आर दोज विडियोज? ताका तर तेन्ना मेळिल्ले जाल्यार परत कित्याक गेला तो? वाय इज ही गॉन अगेन टू शूट? इफ ही हॅज द व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ दॅट डे, वाय डू यू नीड टू गो अगेन एंड अगेन? दॅट इज वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क. आनी आतां तुमकां प्रेसाक रोखडेच आनी एक व्हिडिओ मेळटलो फ्रॉम अस, which you will come to know the reality.
But
very
right now,
soon.
ma'am, he have shown that proof, na everything.
What is
In
the
the video, we have seen that the people are drinking the alcohol and everything.
Do you know, how do you know it is there? What is he doing? He's taking videos from this part, then he's mixing videos from some other part. He's merging everything and showing it is happening there.
So you mean to say it's a fake video, everything?
Of course, see, in Naneli, we have 3 waterfalls. The first 2 waterfalls are managed by us. The third waterfall is inside of the sanctuary, which access means the people don't go from our this. And there are many routes to the sanctuary, many routes, different routes. So there are many people coming from different villages and they go directly to the third waterfall. So this waterfall, maybe, I don't know which waterfall he has seen, but our waterfall, because we have also done testimonials, we have, why doesn't he go to Pali waterfall? Why is he going again and again only to Naneli? The footfalls in Pali waterfalls are much more. If there are, say, 150 people here, there will be 300 people at Pali waterfall, and we are having people. So I can guarantee, like, I am having so many other people who go, and everybody says, yeah, the surroundings are so clean, we have had no issue with garbage, we have not had any issues with anything. So I don't see any issue. This is just to defame and demoralize somebody who is doing good work. That is what I feel. So his truth will come out in maybe an hour. You all will get the truth.
कित्याक
what he's
करता अशें
trying to
दिसता
do.
तुमकां? तुम्ही म्हणटा जर तो मुद्दाम करता जाल्यार कित्याक करता अशें दिसता तुमकां?
आय थिंक आमचो तर कोण बरो मागपी आशिल्लो, आमचो जर वेलविशर आशिल्लो जाल्यार कोण अप्रिशिएट करपी आशिल्लो, बाबा हांगा GFDC इज डुईंग गुड वर्क, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट इज डुईंग गुड वर्क, बरें अप्रिशिएट करया म्हणून. इतलो तेंप करुना. सडनली कित्याक आतां इलेक्शन लागीं आयलां म्हणून कित्याक हें सडनली जालां? आय एम मॅनेजिंग दीज वॉटरफॉल्स फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स, कपल ऑफ इयर्स. कोणेच केन्नाच हें करुना. सडनली आतांच कित्याक इलेक्शनाचे 3-4 म्हयने पयलीं?
ओके,
So
सो कोण
you will get
ऑपोजिशन
your answer.
ताका हें करता म्हणटा तुमी, सपोर्ट करता जावं फुडें काडटा म्हणटा तुमी?
ही हिमसेल्फ इज द ऑपोजिशन. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू मॅम.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.